So in this video, we are going to look at the concept of primary and secondary active transport. So now, what is primary active transport? Primary active transport. So primary active transport is a type of transport system that uses ATP, adenosine triphosphate. It uses ATP, that is adenosine triphosphate, to transport substances in and out of the cell. And examples of this, we have sodium, potassium transport, or sodium potassium pump. This is the examples of primary active transport. And then the next one after primary active transport is secondary active transport. Secondary active transport. Secondary active transport. So in the case of secondary active transport, it is a type of transport that uses potential energy. It uses potential energy stored, potential energy stored in electrochemical gradient. So you see, in the case of secondary active transport, it uses potential energy that is stored in electrochemical gradient to transport substances across the cell. And examples of these secondary active transport, we have glucose, sodium transport. So please, you shouldn't forget about this. So these are the examples of the transport of secondary. And then for the primary active transport is sodium potassium pump is the example, and it uses ATP. This one uses potential energy stored in electrochemical gradient. And then we have division of secondary active transport. We have uniport, we have antiport, and then the next one we have symport. So actually, in the case of uniport is when you